Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. If you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, please share our content, and help the channel in any way if you do like what we're doing. Chainlink update, we had 1990, it got up to a high of 20, now drifting sideways, letting the 4-hour rotation zone catch up. Gonna update these levels up to that $20 mark. I'm actually going to update all this, even this one, so we have a good idea with this drifting sideways what the next targets are. So support now on the 4-hour basis coming in about 1832. If we drop below that, then I'm going to be watching based off the daily because we are overextended. Next area is about 1770, and then major support coming in with the rising rotation zone about 1714 to 1690. So if we do get that pullback, remember we haven't touched the rotation zone in a few days, and it's overextended. And on the 4-hour, we do have a divergence, higher high, lower high in the RSI. Now you can burn that off by drifting sideways. So if we get a nice rotation up, especially with a close above this 1930 level on the 4-hour, then we'll be watching for retest at 20, then 21, then roughly 22 to 2230, and 2463. So that's really it. If it did have a bigger pullback, the next area we'd be watching if this started to collapse back down, because keep in mind it has gone rather quickly back up. The next major support's coming in at 1536, and then we're back to about 1375. So those are all the levels. We can't predict what's going to happen. Just realize there is a 4-hour divergence. Now so far we've drifted sideways, but if we do drop below that rotation zone and this little prior resistance shelf, we'll start watching for the bigger pullback. If we get the rotation up, then we've already listed the targets to the upside that we'll be using either for profit taking or moving stops. That's what we have for you on Chainlink. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.